Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be using, for the first time, my weighted vest, but I need to build it first. So what you see, there's loads of little pockets in it and I need to fill it with sand. Now you can buy little metal bars that go in it, but they're pretty expensive. So I bought myself some little sandwich bags, or drug dealer bags as I call them. And I'm going to put some sand in it, but first I need to find the sand. I bought a bag and just need to go and find it. It should be somewhere in here. It's going to look like a bag of sand if I can find it. Nope, I'm going to have to try in the garage. I found it. It is in the shed. It's behind everything here. Down there. Who would put it there? I have no idea. I can't reach it. Oh. There it is. Whew. Right, I got it. Now, here's what I plan to do. So I'm going to need to... Cat, come on. So I'm going to need to do this evenly, because if I have all different weights in different pockets, then it's going to be a bit odd and then it won't be easy to work out. So I've got myself some scales. I'm going to weigh out each bag, which is going to take me like all afternoon, so I'm not looking forward to it. Weigh out each bag and then just going to stuff each bag into little pockets that you get on here, which again probably isn't going to be very fun. So yeah, I'm just going to try and do a time lapse on this and see how it goes. So it's literally taken me like 15 minutes to do one. And I've worked out that I can only get 100 grams of sand in, and it literally only just wedges in. So I don't actually know if this is going to work. I'm going to count how many pockets there are and then how much weight I can actually add to it. But I don't think it's going to be worth it, to be honest with you. So yeah. I'm going to have to think of something else, because there's 32 pockets on it, 100 grams in each pocket. That means I can add a total of 3.2 kilograms, which I don't think I'm going to notice. So I need to come up with a plan B. There's another thing that I've just noticed as well, which is the sand which I've bought, which is nice play kids sand, is only 15 kilograms, which means I would have to fit that entire bag in here somehow for it to, well, I think this one I bought the vest, it said it could go up to about 20 kilograms, which to do it with sand I just don't think it's going to be, I don't think it's going to be possible, but I don't know. Good preparation, Tom, good preparation. Right, I've had an idea. So I'm looking for a jug, because what I'm going to do you even own a jug? Here we go. I'm looking for a jug, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add water to it. I'm hoping that the sand's going to absorb it. I'm not going to make it any bigger, because if the bag's any bigger, it's not going to fit into the little pocket it's got to go into. So I'm going to add water to it, increase the weight, then put all 32 bags in. But even then, is it going to be enough? I don't know. Let's add the water and see what it weighs. Right, let's see how this goes. So this currently weighs 101 grams. If I add some water to it, brilliant, it's leaking. I mean, that's as much as I can get away with, which adds 50 grams or 48 grams. I mean, not the most absorbent sand, is it?
Back as well?
Yeah, the whole thing, yeah, back and front we've got to get, I want to try and get 10 kilograms as well.
Okay, that's easy. Rip open every other one of these. So that one, and that one.
Yeah.
And you can put in well, massive a bag. I know that's not.
Or maybe if I have it the width of a bag, I can fit
No,
So
because
maybe
you're going to have an
3.
extra bit. No, do what I said. Do 2, 2, 2, 2. Then you can put half a bag filled right up.
Give it a go.
Yeah, but hang on, I'll get you something special to do that with, otherwise you might rip it.
Something special?
A knife.
Oh, a knife. I've got a knife. Mum's know best. Mum's always know best. Right, so what we're going to do is, the problem is that the pockets aren't big enough. They're really narrow pockets, so I can only get like the smallest amount of bag in there with sand. So what we're going to do is rip each pocket to make them bigger, so we can get bigger bags in, hopefully add more weight easier. That's the plan.
See, it's got a little... Actually, my glasses.
The wind doesn't help, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Don't point that knife towards me.
Why don't you do it indoors?
I'm worried at how good you are with a knife.
You should be. I'm only doing one to show you. So I hope you're watching.
I'll put the kettle on, shall I?
I've just made you a coffee.
No.
Well, one thing I'll tell you, you got your money's worth. They've made it well. It's double
You know how much it
sewn.
cost me?
I do.
How much was it?
£30.
No, it wasn't. Oh, it might have been.
It was.
It was either 30 or 20 pounds.
You went on and on about that it only cost you £30, if you remember.
Oh, by the way, your jug's leaking.
So you've broken that as well.
No, it was like it when I found it. I just realised there's a blade in the bottom of it as well. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's not a jug. It's the top to my mixer.
What? Still a jug?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yep. Now you've got to do all the others now. That's much better.
How much would I have to pay you to finish all of them?
Couldn't afford it.
50 quid? 40 quid?
Get my bit of wood.
30 quid?
Get my bit of wood from Harry.
Alright, 25.
No.
Cool, right, so now we got a much bigger pocket. So we took the seam, or Mum took the seam out here, so now this pocket's much bigger. To hopefully be able to get a bigger bag of sand in there and make it weigh more. So let's cut to another time lapse of me picking stitches. How exciting, it's always fun on this channel. 2 down. I'm going to actually put some sand in it now though to see what it weighs. I don't want to do all of it and then realise that it's only going to be able to add like 2 kilograms. So let's see how much sand I can get in it now. I've made that hole bigger. Can't believe this, I didn't even measure it out, landed bang on 500 kilograms. Literally just lifted it in. I didn't record it though, so you probably think I'm lying. But anyway, while you're here, that is 500 kilograms, as you just saw. I'm going to get all the air out of it now, seal it up, and hopefully it will now fit in the pocket. There we go. 500 grams in one pocket. 16 pockets, 500 grams. 16 pockets, 500 grams. Take over the 2 times by 14. 8 kilograms, which actually isn't bad. 8 kilograms. That's probably gonna. I'll notice that. That means I've now got to finish all of them. Alright. Let's get it done. Right, it's taken me a lot longer than I thought it would, but I've now done it. I've now unstitched the pockets. They're a bit bigger now. So, oh, by the way, if at this point you're thinking, wow, this is really interesting content, seeing him unstitch the weighted vest, then hit the subscribe button. Also, if you've seen more than one video, then I guess it means you like my content, so also hit the subscribe button. Right, I've finished, and let me tell you, that was boring as hell. So I've got to now fit these sandbags into this jacket now, which, as I've shown you, I've now taken the seams out of this bit here, so the pockets are now much bigger to fit bigger sandbags in. So we're going to throw them in. How exciting. My genius literally knows no limits. Look at that, it's there, it's finished. Now I've already tried to put it on once, where it's got these Velcro straps on the side, and it's not easy to put your hand around and actually do it up, so I've done it up before I put it on. So yeah, let's put it on. Let's just give this a whirl. Oh yeah! at that. Even though it's warm, actually. That is smart as, isn't it? Look at that. Well chuffed for that. Right, let's test it out. Let's see how we can. Let's see if we can do some pull-ups. Hi, Mum. Don't suppose there's any chance you could hold the camera for me while I do some pull-ups, is there?
Exchange.
For
Before you go, try posing a leather jacket for me.
I can pose in anything for you, of course. No, hold on. No, we just need to do it now. Okay. Brilliant. What do you reckon? How many do you reckon I've got to do? You can talk.
Oh, 30?
30?
I don't know.
I reckon 35. Oh, it makes a difference, let me tell you. Was that 10?
I think it was 9, but
That's 10 then.
yeah. Let's say 10.
I need to get a thicker bar, it's really outstanding that one. 10, that's not bad. 10 or 11 reps, whatever that was, I'll take that. Pleased with that. Sunny. That's not normally a problem we have in England, is the sun. Anyway, I don't actually know how much this weighs. I mean, if I'd guess, I think it's less than 10 kilograms. But it's, oh, it's windy, let me go inside. But it's going to make a difference. Come on, adjust to the new light. You're back. Yeah, I think it's going to make a difference. I mean, I definitely felt, I mean, I'd probably normally do about 20 reps normally, and then to add 8 kilograms, and I did 11 or so. So it does make a difference. It does make a big difference. So we'll see. I'm going to do a workout with it now, and probably look massive by the end of it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Jump down, hit that red button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and then you will be subscribed and know when I release more videos. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to do a workout with it. And actually no, I did want to say one other thing, which is just as a reminder really, that you don't have to go and lift heavy weights in order to build muscle. There are other ways in which you can do it, and it is more important about how you do it rather than the weight that you are moving. I'm doing it with body weight, and now I'm going to add a little bit of resistance as well, just because of the level that I'm now at with my body weight training. So just hopefully gives you an idea on what you can achieve without having to go to the gym and lift all these weights, you know. So it just makes more sense, and I think it's an easier way for people that are, you know, got busy lives, and maybe you work away a lot and you have to try and squeeze in fitness. And if you can achieve a great physique and achieve just as good results by being able to just, like I am now, train in the garden or maybe in a hotel room or wherever you may be, if you can do that and master your body weight and then achieve these results, then why would you not do that? So hopefully that's a bit of motivation for you guys. I'm going to do this workout now. I'm going to show you it, but yeah, hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you think you've liked it, because let's be honest, if you've made it this far, what you've done is watch me put sand into a vest. So thanks for sticking around.